YouTube, what's up? It's a remodeling veteran here. Quick video today. I just want to do a video of me hooking up my welder. There's a lot of projects I want to do to get done with this thing, so I'm not going to bore you with anything today. I'm just going to play some music in the background, time lapse some video, and we'll go from there. Let's go. So is it red to black, or does one touch this ground? We'll figure it out. Well, guys, we're done. Thankfully, we produced some really quality welds today. Yeah, well, I'm not the greatest welder in the world, but at least it's set up now and I get some practice, and I got a lot of projects coming along, including putting a 12-valve Cummins on a square body Chevy. So I got a lot of welding coming along. Appreciate you guys watching the video. Without you guys, would have no content like always. So appreciate that. Please like this video. Subscribe if you want to see more content. See you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day.